Your phone feels hot. The battery drops faster than usual. You blame your apps, but what if the real reason is AI? From AI photo editing and AI voice tools to video generators and Gemini AI, all these smart tools are transforming our devices and quietly draining more power than ever before. Every time you use an AI app like editing a photo, generating a song, or using AI video, filters your device's CPU, GPU, and even neural processors work overtime. Unlike regular apps, AI models perform billions of tiny calculations, which means higher battery consumption and more heat. That's why apps like Gemini AI photo editing, AI video generators, or even AI voice assistants can reduce your battery life faster than standard tools. It's not just your phone, laptops, and even EVs use onboard AI systems that constantly analyze data. But here's the twist. Companies like Google AI and Gemini AI are developing low-power AI chips to make smart tasks energy efficient. So, while today's AI apps may kill your battery, tomorrow's AI tools could actually help extend it. The rise of AI means smarter devices, but also higher energy demand. From AI photos to AI music and even AI movie creation, the hidden cost isn't just data, it's battery power. So next time you open your favorite AI editing app, remember, intelligence comes with a price measured in percentage drops.